West Bengal's Barashat has also arrested a man running a fake document racket for Bangladeshi infiltrators. So as you can see, as our guests were also pointing out, this is not just restricted to the national capital. It's happening in different states. The police in West Bengal have now apprehended a man. He goes by the name of Sameer Das. He's been identified as the mastermind behind the sophisticated operations involved in the creation of counterfeit Aadhaar cards, PAN cards and other very important documents for foreign nationals, particularly for the immigrants who are coming in from Bangladesh. Right, so that's the big news and another big achievement by the police in West Bengal. They have arrested a man who's also been facilitating the entry of these illegal immigrants into India. He has been identified as Sameer Das, and he's someone who is believed to be the mastermind. We're showing you the visual there of a big crackdown by the West Bengal police. Komalika is joining us for more on this. Komalika, over to you. Fill us in with all the details. How is it that the West Bengal police were able to nab this individual, and just who is he and what was he, how was he helping all these immigrants coming in from Bangladesh?
See, this is a big breakthrough. It will be having a lot of ramifications that we are coming to know from our sources. Now, what happens that this man is a person who is a point person who makes Aadhaar card, voter ID card, birth certificate, PAN card of Bangladeshi citizens, and there is a rate chart. What we are coming to know that this person himself came in after 1971 from Bangladesh, and he has various contacts in Bangladesh. Now what he used to do is he used to, the people who used to come from Bangladesh, they used to be in touch with him, and he had a huge clientele of those persons. The people amongst them who wanted to make Indian passport, Indian documents, they approached to him, and then he made them settle there in various places of Bengal, and using that their local address, those addresses, he used to make Aadhaar card, voter card, birth certificate, and naturally all these cards were made to make passport or to be an Indian citizen. So see how much dangerous it is that a Bangladesh citizen comes from that place, hires this person, gives money to this person, he makes a document which is an Indian document and transforms this Bangladeshi citizen to Indian citizen. The police has got a tip-off from a technical tip-off. They got a technical tip-off, and from that they tracked this person named Sapandas, and then they actually arrested him. Yesterday he'll be produced. He was arrested, and now continuous interrogation going on, because since Bangladesh situation is this, and it is for a long time he was doing this, he was in this operation.
And so that's the worrying part, isn't it, Komalika? You know, the fact that this illegal immigration nexus has spread over so many parts of India and has been going on for years. And these are Indian nationals who are facilitating the entry of these illegal immigrants into our country and also helping them to acquire this fake Indian identity.
Yes, absolutely. And in lieu of money, and see the rate chart, it is 15,000 for Aadhaar card, it is 12,000 for birth certificate, it is 3 to 5,000 for PAN card. So a lot of things, you know, lot of cybercrime activities that can take place through this. Now the police is investigating, since there is also a fake passport racket whose investigation the Kolkata police is doing. That racket is also huge. Whether this person had any link with that and whether it has a terror angle to it, that also the police is investigating. But this person he used to tell that he is a person who is a person who helps lawyers in court, and he had huge penetration in Bangladesh, and huge number of people, clientele of him comes from Bangladesh. We know that now the situation is very sensitive in Bangladesh, and from them what we are coming to know from our sources, that he used to facilitate those Bangladeshi citizens, and they were made, they were given this opportunity where they used Aadhaar cards of India, voter cards of India, and they became. We know that the terror module, in that the two sleeper cell who has been arrested from Murshidabad by Assam STF and Bengal STF, both of those, in that case also, Sam Vradi, the person who was arrested from Kerala, the Bangladeshi citizen, he had his name in the voter ID rolls of.
Okay, just kindly stay on with me, Komalika. Rahul Sinha from the BJP is also joining us. Rahul ji, thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18. दो खबरें आई हैं, एक तो how the Delhi police have cracked down on an illegal immigration racket, और अभी खबर आई है from West Bengal how the police there have cracked down on this agent. आपको क्या लगता है, अभी ये जो centralized action हम देख रहे हैं, ये जो illegal entry हो रही थी, ये तो बहुत सालों से हो रही थी, but what do you think has changed now?
देखिए, जब सीपीएम रिज्म था ही पर पश्चिम बंगाल में, तब से ये इन्फिल्ट्रेटर घुसपैठी लोग घुस रहा था और बंगाल का बॉर्डर से घुस के वो पूरा देश में फैल जा रहा था, और जितना उग्रवादी काम या बाकी सारे अर्थनीतिक का ऊपर प्रभाव इन लोगों ने फेंकता था। और उसके बाद ममता बनर्जी जब विपक्ष नेत्री थे, तब उन्होंने सोमनाथ चटर्जी स्पीकर थे लोकसभा का, उनका टेबल के ऊपर एक कागज फेंक दिया था जो वोटर लिस्ट है, और उनका दावा था ये सारे घुसपैठी लोग इस वोटर लिस्ट में भर्ती है, इसके कुछ करने के लिए उन्होंने मांग किया था
जी।
लेकिन जब विपक्ष से सरकार में आया ममता बनर्जी, चीफ मिनिस्टर बन गया, एक दिन के लिए घुसपैठी के लिए एक शब्द आज तक नहीं कहा। इसीलिए अभी बांग्लादेश का हालात इतना खराब हुआ, फिर भी ममता बनर्जी घुसपैठी के लेके कोई बात
राहुल
नहीं
जी,
किया।
मगर ये जो एंट्री हो रही है इलीगल इमिग्रेंट्स की बांग्लादेश से, ये सिर्फ वेस्ट बंगाल में ही नहीं हो रहा है, ये इवन दिल्ली में हो रहा है और जगहों में भी हो रहा है। आपको नहीं लगता ये बहुत ही दुख की बात है कि जो सारे एजेंट्स है ये हमारे खुद के भारतीय नागरिक है जो 2 रुपए से लेकर 30,000 तक इन इमिग्रेंट्स को अंदर लेकर आते हैं?
नहीं, ये पैसा के लिए कर रहा है, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा सारे लोग बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर से बंगाल होके ही निकलते हैं, और बंगाल में पॉलिटिकल शरण इन लोगों को मिलते हैं, और इसीलिए पुलिस चुप है, पॉलिटिकल लीडर लोग चुप है, और साथ साथ कुछ
आपको लगता है कि पुलिस की भी मिलीभगत है इसमें? क्योंकि ऐसे कैसे हो रहे हैं, इतने सारे इमिग्रेंट्स अंदर आ रहे हैं इंडिया के?
नहीं, पॉलिटिकली सपोर्ट है, पुलिस नीरव है, और जो ब्रोकर है, दलाल जो है, वो लोग खुलेआम इसको कर रहा है। इतना दिन हम लोग कितना आवाज उठाया, लेकिन सारे चुप करके बैठे थे। आज जब बांग्लादेश का हालत थोड़ा खराब हो गया, तब जाके सब थोड़ा पुलिस कुछ करने का ही कर रहा है, लेकिन वो जो कर रहा है वो भी बहुत कम है
जी,
लेकिन
जी।
पुलिस और सरकार इसमें कोई सीरियसनेस नहीं दिखाएंगे। वो 1-2 आदमी को पकड़ेगा, उसका खबर होगा, उसमें कोई बड़ा कुछ नहीं है। हजारों लाखों लोग इसमें घुस गया, और इसीलिए अभी इसका एक चिरुनी तलाशी होना चाहिए, जोरदार तलाशी नहीं होगा तो आखिर में इस 1-2 को पकड़ के कुछ होने वाला नहीं।
जी राहुल जी, थैंक यू सो मच CNN News 18 से बात करने के लिए। एंड Komalika, thanks to you also for getting us the latest on that big arrest that has happened by the West Bengal police. And with that, it's time for us to take a short break. Stay tuned. I'll be back with lots more. Keep watching.